Alright everyone, so yesterday we did the part 1 of the Chogada tutorial choreography. Today we're going to do part 2. This is going to be slightly faster, but there's a lot of steps that y'all would have done in our tutorials before. So this should be easy peasy. So let's begin. My name is Priya from Priya Dance Company and welcome to the Folk Fusion project. Alright, so let's start with part 2 of the choreography. In part 2, we'll directly start with the Chogada lyrics that starts at the percussion. So it's high pitched, it's high tempo and it's fun. So the step begins with clap. You take your left hand, take it back, turn from your left side. Clap, take a left hand, take a turn from your right side. Shall we see that once again? So we do down to up clap. I take my left hand swings and I also swing on the same side, which is on my left side. Go there, clap again, same thing. I take my left hand again, swing it on the left side and I turn from my left side and come back. From there, I do a clap, hinge, left leg first, clap, right leg hinge, clap, left leg hinge, take a turn from your right side and come back up. So far so good. Let's try this bit again. We started with a clap, take a turn, clap, take a turn, hinge, 1, hinge, 2, hinge, 3, 1 and up. One last time with the counts and the singy counts that I do. In 5, 6, 7, go 1 and wave back, 2 and wave front, hinge, left back, hinge, right back, hinge, left back, take a turn. So far so good. Just quick few things to remember. Your hands, when I'm doing the clap at the hinge, I'm putting the hand in a thumb position, like a thumbs up position, putting my left leg back, clap, putting my right leg back, clap, putting left leg back, after which I'm taking a turn from my right side. Remember that. In other cases we would turn it from our left. Here we'll take a turn from our right. Hand is palm to palm together. I took a turn and I came back up. So we reached here. Both my hands are palm to palm. I'll do the hands first, then I'll do hands and legs. So the hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, left, right, left. In terms of my legs, whenever my hands come out, my left leg kicks out. So kick and look there, kick and ta 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 ta. Let's try that once with the music and the counts. So 5, 6, 7, go. Kick and 1, 2, kick and 1, ta ta ta. We reached here. Our left hand is up at the end. From there we went 1, 2. Just watch the hands first. I'll join the legs in a bit. So the hand just went into a simple L and a wave, wave. My legs, as usual, just went a step, step. Let's try that one more time with the counts. In 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left. 1 and 2 and snap and take a turn. I'll quickly show you the snap and take a turn because that's a little flowy and comes more organically. So when I did a snap, my right leg was in front. From here, imagine you're doing a bowling position and coming back. One more time, we did a snap, took my right hand behind, left hand in front, took a turn from my left side and came back here. There's no compulsion of how you have to rotate the hands. Try whatever feels organic and essentially just make sure you do this, take a turn and come back. So let's try from the top so far, from the clap. 5, 6, 7, go. Clap and look back, clap and look back. 1 left hinge, 2 right hinge, 1 left hinge, take a step. Kick and left, right, kick and ta 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 ta. 1 and 2 and snap, bowling, take a turn. One last time, same chunk, we'll move on to the next. 5, 6, 7, go. Clap and swing back, clap and swing back. Clap and left hinge, clap and right hinge, clap and left hinge, take a circle. Kick and left, right, kick and ta 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 ta. 1 and 2 and snap, bowling, take a turn. The next chunk is a simple dorio on the right, left, right, stand. So my legs went into a simple 1 dorio on the right, 1 dorio on the left, one dodiyo on the right, and I took a turn and I stood. My hands went bring together, go away, bring together, go and stand in the same position, which is palm to palm. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, take a turn and go up the same way. One more time. In 5, 6, 7, go. 1, bring in, 2, bring out, 1, bring in, take a turn. This part is mil jaye mujhko. So let's try that with the music. 5, 6, 7, go. Mil jaye mujhko agar saath tera. Let's try this bit again, which is mil jaye mujhko agar saath tera. In 5, 6, 7, go. Mil jaye mujhko agar saath tera. From here, we'll do To Bhulu Main Sara Jahan, is where I take both my hands, make the palms face the camera. My elbows are still slightly out, so it's got a slightly classical stance, and I'm going this. So my hand looks like it's pushing something, but it's in a pushing position which is like a wave. While I do that, I use my left leg to kick. So it sort of looks like a kick and kick and kick and kick. Now when you're doing the kick, I also include a little waist rotation. So it makes the whole thing look a little more like a snake movement. So along with the kick, I did a waist kick, waist kick, waist kick, waist kick. Fantastic. Now along with this, I'm going to try and make sure that I do the same movement while taking a full rotation and coming. I do this step 4 times. So we'll try this from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Waist kick, turn, waist kick, turn, waist kick, turn, waist kick, back. Alright, so let's see this from the top till here so far from the clap. One thing to remember is your clap, make sure that it's not just here. I'm doing this for demonstrative processes, but when you're doing this, really try and bend down as much as you can, and always remember, try and bend down from your waist. Never bend down from your back. If you see a big difference between clapping like this and clapping like that. So I'm initiating from my waist and not from my shoulders, right? Let's try this from the clap till wherever we've done so far. In 5, 6, 7, go. Clap and left turn, clap and right turn, clap and left hitch, clap and right hitch, clap and left hitch, take a turn. Kick and left, right, kick and na ta ta ta. 1 and a 2 and a snap. Bowling, take a turn. Dodiyo 1, dodiyo 2, dodiyo 3, take a turn. Whoa. Let's continue. 5, 6, 7, go. Dodiyo 1, dodiyo 2, dodiyo 3, take a turn. Wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3, 4, 4. From here, I just take a pose. The pose is my hands are not straight, but they are sort of loose straight, so it still looks elegant. My weight is on my right leg, but no leg is bent. They're all straight. I'm leaning a little towards my right. One more time without ninja jumping. In 5, 6, 7, go. Clap and take a turn, clap and take a turn. 1 left hitch, 1 right hitch, 1 left hitch, take a turn. Kick and left, right, kick and na ta ta ta. 1 and a 2 and 1. Bowling, take a turn. Dodiyo right, dodiyo left, dodiyo right, take a turn. Wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3, wave 4. Pose, pose, pose. Chogada tara. That bit will start in a bit. If you all have any steps that you all need to revise, you all can always go back, rewind a couple of minutes, revise that and come back. If you all are good to go, let's continue. So we've reached here. I took my left leg back, put all the weight on my left leg and did chogada. So chogada is like a turban, and tara, where I kept my left on my right and did tara. 1, 2. So from here I got my hand down, my right hand went down, went off on my shoulder, my left hand just went down into a dola. So let's try the chogada once again, because this can get a little tricky. So from here we did chogada tara 1, 2. From here we'll go Cha, Bila, Tara. So, Cha, Bila, Tara, right, left. Once again from the Chogada Tara. 5, 6, 7, go. Tuck, tuck. Chogada Tara, tuck, tuck. Cha, Bila, Tara, right, left. Now this right left is very flamenco, paso doble sort of an influence, which is I keep my hands like an eggshell hands. Eggshell hands are when you pretend like you're holding eggs, so you can't hold them too wide, otherwise the eggs will fall. If you crush them, the eggs will get crushed. So you're holding them sort of like that, and I'm going right, left. So I'm essentially scooping an ice cream on the right side, scooping an ice cream on the left side. Let's try that one more time because I know that this bit will take a little while to remember. So let's try it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Tuck, tuck. Chogada Tara, tuck, tuck. Cha, Bila, Tara, right, left. From here, I took my left leg in front just to take the time to lift my ghagra. From there, I went left, right, take a barrel roll. For those of y'all who don't know what a barrel roll is, I'll put off a tutorial somewhere here so y'all can refer to the barrel roll, but the rest of it is just styling. It's just right here. So let's try this from here again. 5, 6, 7, go. Tuck, tuck. Chogada Tara, tuck, tuck. Cha, Bila, Tara, right, left. Rangila Tara. Left and right and left, right, barrel roll. Let's do a grand revision from the beginning till here. This time I won't sing the song, but I'll try and sing the actual song. 5, 6, 7, ho, aavi gayi raat and bolo badhi baat and prem niya mausam chhe up, up. आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे पास टा 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 प्रेम निया मौसम छे स्नैप बोलिंग टेक टर्न मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां फोर एंड स्टे छोगड़ा तारा टक टक छबीला तारा टक टक रंगीला तारा left and left right take a barrel roll. I might be going slightly fast. If you feel this is a lot of steps at this point, take a pause, rewind, watch a couple of times, get back here, and if it still feels fast, you can always play the entire video at about 75% speed, so you can go slower and get the whole thing better. There'll be an option button right here where you can do exactly that. Change the entire speed of this song, of this choreography to like 75%. Awesome, so now we're left with the absolute last chunk, which is the fun frolic bit. So we finished with the barrel roll. Immediately after the barrel roll, I'll take 4 turns. So when I take the 4 turns, my hands are like that. It's almost like I'm trying to clap to someone, so I'm not going straight. I'm going a little like that. So my shoulders are down, my elbows are also down in this case. To keep that styling element, I took 4 rounds. So I did circle, 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 circle. Oops. So when you're taking the circle, one thing that you need to remember is spotting. Now what spotting is that my eyes are focused on you when I'm trying to take a circle. I don't want to take a circle but look everywhere, because by the time I do that, I'm going to feel really giddy. So the idea is I need to focus on a straight spot when I'm turning. So I make sure that I turn just at you and not look everywhere, so my turns get faster as well as I don't feel giddy. Anyway, so we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. We took 4 circles. From there we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If any of you all have knees that also crack like mine, leave a comment down below. So we did a circle, 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 circle. Hands now are just a pataka, non-hands. I did a 1. I started off with my right hand going on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing but with sitting now. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we finished the barrel roll, after which we did, hands are here, 5, 6, 7, go, circle, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, immediately after this, there is a Manyaro Ra step. This step is called the Manyaro Ra step, which I'm going to break in detail in the tutorial tomorrow, because this step could take a little while. The hands can get a little confusing. But for now, just remember, this is the choreography so far, followed by one Manyaro step. The Manyaro step just finishes in a hand out. So let's try this again from the circle, 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 circle. Let's not do the Manyaro as a part of this tutorial. I'll put up a link somewhere here by tomorrow or somewhere, wherever it can fit, to check the Manyaro Ra step alone. I will do the Manyaro Ra step here, but you can learn it in that tutorial tomorrow. Let's try this from the circle bit till the end. 5, 6, 7, go. Circle, 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 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Manyaro. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, up, down. Look, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try this choreography from the clap till the end, including the Manyaro. But remember, I'm not teaching the Manyaro in this tutorial because there's a separate tutorial for it coming up tomorrow. I'll put up a link here somewhere in the suggested section. You can click on that, learn the Manyaro, come back to this, and then you can get this whole thing together. Let's try this from the clap, the whole thing together in 5, 6, 7, and Aavi gayi raat, and bolo vadhi vaat, and clap, left hitch, clap, and right hitch, clap, and left hitch, take and up, kick and back, and kick and na, ta ta ta, right and left and snap, bowling, take a turn, dodi you right, dodi you left, dodi you right, take and up, wave 1 and wave 2 and wave 3, wave 4, stay. Chogada tara ta ta, Chabila tara ta ta, Rangila tara, left and right and left, and take a barrel roll. From here we'll continue. From the barrel roll we did 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, Chogada tara, 1, 2, Chabila tara, 1, 2, Rangila, Manyaro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and Rang de bichhore thani. I don't remember the last lyrics, but you get the point. Awesome. Okay, this was really fast. I know that I did a major supersonic speed, but I want to test and see whether this speed actually works. If it works, that'll be fantastic because we can get through with a lot of choreographies. If this choreography feels too fast, please feel free to slow down the video at 75%, maybe even 50, so it gets repeated a lot more times and it feels easier and more internalized. And at the end, repetition is key. So even if you watch this video a couple of times and get the feel of it, there's nothing like it really. Awesome. So this was it from my side. This was the entire tutorial video of the Chogada choreography. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video, and I'll be coming up with lots of choreography and tutorial videos very soon. Signing off, this is Priya from Priya Dance Company, and this is the Folk Fusion Project.